There should be consequences and repercussions for lying on someone. That I think I told you guys, I have a good friend.
I mean, that should be form of assault.
It should. No, it should be worse than that because I think you should get a punishment comparable to what that person would have gotten if he had been wrongfully accused of rape.
So 5 to 7?
Let me give you an example. A friend of mine that you guys know was accused of rape by an artist, right? Now he's a manager, right? So she accused him of rape. She told myself, she told a member of the press, right? And she was in tears. I believed her. I'm friends with this guy. I didn't say anything to him because I automatically believed her because she was crying. And I just thought, wow, why would she, I never thought that she would lie about that. Right. Such emotion. So years later, I kind of pulled back a little bit and I was just really hurt. She ended up accusing someone else and actually accusing a celebrity of forcing her to do something or a sexual situation, and came out and on a tape that she had lied about accusing my friend of rape. Now, I went back and had the conversation with him. He was upset with me for believing it, which he had every right to be. But in my defense, I just could not imagine why a woman would sit there and do that. Now, imagine if that tape of her crying had gone to the police. He would have definitely been arrested, and most people would have believed her over him because she was given examples, and examples, by the way, that had never happened. He could have lost his livelihood because in the music industry as a manager, someone can decide, I don't want that person to manage me anymore based on what happened. So he has children. Everything in his life could have totally changed based on her lying because he would not help her career get to another place. I feel like she should be charged just as severely as he would have been because she could have basically taken his life. That's taken someone's entire...
You deserve to be removed from society.
Think about the fact that other people that she talked to that we may not even know may think differently of him because of what she said.
Not just that, there may be people that she's done this to who we don't know at all either. And they may have just paid her something just to get her out, or who knows what. And she keeps going unchecked. She's inspiration to other women who may have that idea.
Right. And I think a lot of times and I hate to say this because I'm definitely an advocate for women, but a lot of times with women, when things don't go their way, then it becomes, I don't want to admit that I gave up the sex to him. If he doesn't decide he doesn't want to be in a relationship with them, or he doesn't maybe give them what they want, they decide they're going to make up this story to protect them, and they don't realize that story has the ability to hurt that person's everything. Like, it should be just as criminal of an act as rape. Lying about rape should be just as equal to me as rape, because it really has the same effect on a person's life.